Hey everyone, it's Kevin with IT Supplies, and today we're doing a quicker video about ColorPrime V3 film. We have our showroom with all the printers here at Rolling Meadows, Illinois, just outside of Chicago. These printers aren't just sitting here to look pretty. We use them for customer samples, for new media products. If our customers are having issues or curious about new media, we're ordering that media in and testing it ourselves so you don't have to. Recently, with DTF being a big driver in the apparel industry, finding the right DTF film and finding the right process for transferring the film is crucial to saving you time and money throughout your production. One of our textile sales specialists, Amber, was recently testing out the new V3 film from ColorPrime, and she found something very interesting and helpful during the application. This will literally save you time and money and not ruin your shirt. With the same image printed on the V3 film, we are going to do everything the same, except do a fast peel versus a slow peel. She's got the heat press set to 280 for 13 seconds and a medium pressure. Amber does the slow peel first, which is typically a safe way to peel and limit any damage to the print. As you can see, the image is lifting and sticking. Now, Amber went and did a quick peel. Remember, same settings, same image, same everything, just faster. And the results speak for themselves. So if you're getting frustrated with the V3 film sticking and peeling up, try the fast peel option. It will save you a ton of headaches and time. For more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel, drop any comments or questions below. We here at IT Supplies are here to help your business grow with as few headaches as possible. Do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.